In today's video, you'll learn why the combination of pineapple and olive oil is an effective natural remedy that few people know about. In today's video, we'll show you why you should make this recipe at home. Home remedies are nothing but the combination of ingredients that have the power to relieve and prevent diseases and symptoms. Many of these remedies are used to treat problems such as obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, etc. When it comes to home remedies, one of our favorites is the mixture of pineapple and olive oil. It's not only beneficial for health, but also a refreshing drink. To make it, you will use cheap and easy-to-find ingredients. In addition, the mixture of pineapple and olive oil is rich in antioxidants, has a diuretic effect, helps lose weight, lowers and controls blood pressure, slows the aging process, lowers bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol, just to name a few benefits. For this recipe, you'll need 1/2 ripe pineapple, 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and a glass of filtered water. First, wash the lemon and pineapple thoroughly. Remove all the peel and cut the flesh of the pineapple into small cubes. Squeeze the lemon and save the juice. Put all the ingredients in a blender. Blend until the mixture is smooth. There's no need to strain it. You can drink it with a meal or after lunch or dinner. It's recommended to drink a glass 2 or 3 times a week. If you make this recipe, come back and tell us what you think. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.